Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you today. Still on the Ultimate Love reality TV show, here is what Iyke said to Theresa that made her shed tears. Ultimate Love housemates Iyke and Theresa are seriously taking their love affair to the next level, and that has got more attention and fans to their side. Iyke showered Theresa with love and assured her that they are going to be together till her hair is old and grey. This happened when Theresa was down with emotions after Auntie, the chief host of Ultimate Love, brought the ex-lover of Iyke to the show. Based on the character Iyke's display, Theresa lost her confidence and reacted as a true woman who's actually in love. In order to restore the love Iyke and Theresa shared before the ugly incident, Iyke confidently told Theresa that she is the love of his life and is willing to work with her until her hair grows old and grey. Fans reacted that Iyke should keep to his promise because the internet never forgets. So guys, that's it on the Ultimate Love show. If you're a new subscriber, if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to this channel for more updates on the Ultimate Love part. Today is the big day in the Ultimate Love, the eviction show. Stay tuned for Ultimate Love live eviction show.